Alright guys, welcome back to another freaking amazing video. We're here with the Performante and the C63 at one of our friends' beautiful houses, and they have an F8 that they're about to start up, and this is going to be fun and very, very loud. We're all ready?
Yeah, we're all ready.
Bro, can you hear?
No.
No? Oh my god. I think we're all pretty much going deaf at this point. Alright. Start up on the M5. It's not quite as loud as the F8, but it's still loud and it sounds good. Check this out, dude. This is pretty much a fully loaded F8. You have the Boden exhaust on it, full titanium, carbon fiber wheels, get that. Boom, there you go. And then if I walk around to the front, this is blue carbon. I'll show more in the sun, but all of this right here is blue carbon fiber. Alright. Nope, still locked.
Still locked?
There you go. Alright, hopping in the F8 Spider. Bye.
Obey the speed limit.
Leave him out there somewhere.
Aww. Drop him off. Drop him off. Bye, guys. Alright.
Look at him, bro.
It's an off-road mode.
Yeah. Just keep him, bro.
You guys want to get rid of me that bad? Dude, these turbos are crazy.
Play around with the screen,
Oh, the digital screen. Look at that. Wow. What? Oh, okay, well, there's peacocks here. Dude, these turbos are freaking crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness. My goodness. Let this sink in. I've gotten to ride in a Huracan Performante and the F8 now, just on one trip. Dude, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, these turbos.
Peacock does not like the car.
Peacocks. We're back, guys.
Keep him.
Say hill.
So you still like the GT3 RS, or are we moving past that?
GT3.
Nah, I gotta move past
No, GT3. He knows. He knows.
Dude.
He knows.
Yeah, GT3, come on.
Come on.
No.
Come on. Just because you're a Lambo guy.
GT3's just overpriced.
No, you're overpriced.
Thank you.
Oh, the turbos! Woo! Omar, how was the ride?
Slow.
Slow.
Fucking blast. Do you hear the downshift?
Yeah.
Dude, it sounds so fucking
Crazy, crazy, crazy. Anyone else want to ride? Oscar, say yo.
Oscar, can you guard my car? Yeah, I got you, bro. All right, thank you, bro.
Got the performante.
Make sure nothing happens, man.
Here, we'll get you A1 service.
keys here.
Sahil. We're gonna get you A1 service, Sahil.
A1 service.
A1 service. You don't even have to close the door. Look at this. Crocs in, door closed.
Crocs allowed.
Just like that. Woo-hoo-hoo, the turbos! Oh my god. Why doesn't the C63 sound like that?
It does sound like that.
No, it doesn't. No, it does not. Listen to that. Woo. So here we have to get the input. How was the ride?
Way better than a Porsche. I'll say that.
Oh, yeah.
He doesn't even have Lambo doors on the Lambo. Of course you like him, weirdo.
He has a Lambo and he doesn't like Porsche.
No, you like him because he has a Lambo.
Way better than a Porsche. That's all I have to say.
Ah,
The GT3 RS.
Yeah.
they're haters. Hold on, you need the A1 service, bro. You're hopping in a Ferrari. You're hopping in a Ferrari. That hurt.
That hurt, yeah.
Woo! Go ahead. Woo! All right,
This is what you
check
need,
this out.
Carmel.
The golf cart. Oh, the golf cart in Carmel, the car spot. Oh, that's gonna be safe. All right, we're at a second house at an undisclosed location and Shelby GT500. Check this out. It's a 600? Oh. Okay. Start up on the GT500. Nice.
Fernando's gonna freak out.
Oh, Turbo X. Oh, Plaid Defender. Nice.
That's a 007 Defender.
Oh.
One of 300.
Oh wow.
300.
What?
Oh my god.
Nah, the toilet just opened itself. Oh, no way.
What? And just sprayed out water, bro. It's just what you like.
Out water.
That's what you like.
That's what you like. This is beautiful. Look at the bathtub.
My grandparents were gonna do that.
Wow. Dude, that toilet though. You just walked up to it and it opened itself. Oh, you guys can't feel this, but the floor is literally heated.
Oh yeah, where is
It's heated.
The floor is heated.
Oh, wow.
I saw you're gonna knock us all out.
Yeah, what do you mean?
What is this? That's a huge, but it looks like it probably has a curse on it.
Curse?
Curse.
Bro.
Look at it!
Yeah. You say it has a curse on it?
Damn, that's cool. That's a lot of Legos.
The fucking stairs.
You see the view? Oh wow. Look at that. Tennis court, basketball court, fountain. What isn't there? There's a guest house up there that's like 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a pool. Oh my god, another. Oh my, look at that. There's another toilet
Where's the toilet?
in the bathroom.
Oh.
Everybody wants
This
to
one
see the
doesn't
toilet.
do it. Oh, it does. Look at that. Hey.
Oh my!
Dude, holy shit.
Alright.
I found a gym.
Well,
Oh
I'm sure I need this.
my god, mirrors everywhere. We all need this. Some more than others. Dude, look at the chandelier. Oh my god. Alright, so this is the front of the freaking humongous freaking house. Just took some pictures for Instagram with the Performante, the C63, and I think that's about it though. I think next we're gonna just be in Carmel. So yeah, I mean, this has been freaking insane. Thank you to the owner. I'll tag the Instagram, but dude, this house freaking crazy. Yo, Yo, check this out. We randomly caught up with the camera crew, dude, that was all the way in Costa Mesa. 5 hours later. How funny is that? Randomly just on the highway. We caught up to them.
She's still going. Still going. Holy fuck. Look at that.
Yeah, another year.
Oh, I got 2 more meters.
Hey, that was not 140. That was. It was 67. And the camera crew is gone. Holy.
Oh, he is.
Bro, good job, Sahil. What'd you guys say? Like 62?
Yeah, 62.
62.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh. Woo!